The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. This video is about men who robbed a female, and one of those men who are considered to be robbers had been apprehended and handed over to the police within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, you might be surprised to hear the information that I got as to how that man who is said to be a robber had been apprehended and handed over to the police to the country of Guyana. But before I get into certain details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, according to some things that I read in news articles about this whole thing where it is said that robbers robbed a female and one of those robbers had been apprehended and handed over to the police. See, it is said that on the 27th of August, the year 2021, the female who returned to the community that she lived in after she was at a bank that is located somewhere in the country that is known as Guyana. It is said that the female told the police that she turned her motor vehicle on a bridge to enter her yard when she noticed that a motor vehicle stopped behind her motor vehicle. It is said that the female told the police that two men came out of that motor vehicle while one man remained in the motor vehicle. And it is said that the female told the police that that man was said to be the driver of that motor vehicle. And one of those two men who came out of that motor vehicle that stopped behind her motor vehicle had a gun. It is said that the female told the police that those two men who came out of the motor vehicle approached the female and demanded money from the female. Now, according to some more things that I read in news articles about that whole robbery incident, it is said that the female put up a resistance and the robber who had a gun at that time fired a shot. It is said that those men robbed the female of over $1,000. And it is said that those men also robbed the female of a phone and documents. It is said that those men then went into the motor vehicle that they were traveling in and fled the scene of that robbery incident. Now, it is said that the female drove her motor vehicle and chased the motor vehicle that those robbers was traveling in. And it is said that the female somehow managed to use her motor vehicle to brace or push the motor vehicle that those robbers was traveling in. And it is said that that motor vehicle that those robbers was traveling in went into a drain, and one of those robbers received injuries. It is said that the other two robbers escaped on foot, leaving behind the robber who received injuries. See? Now, it is said that citizens within the country of Guyana who was at the scene of that incident helped to apprehend the robber and later on handed over to the police. Now, for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to present to you the video that shows the robber who had been apprehended and handed over to the police. Now, please bear in mind that this video shows the robber in handcuffs, and the robber was wet because the robber was in the drain and the drain had dirty water. You see me? And basically what I'm trying to let you, my viewers and subscribers, understand is that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I smell stink got the mud. You want some water? Should I bring some water?
I think you got wash your hand inside.
Bring some water in the bucket. Brother.
was in the bank, right? And I came out, I went to buy $1,500 because I'm leaving the country. And as I came home, I just pulled in the my driveway. As I opened the door, they came in the
Gotta
shop
move
to
with
give
your
me the bags. And they started hitting me in my face. And then I started fighting with them. And one guy fired a gun at me. When he fired the gun, I fell, right? And my son was on the thing, and he started following them. And some other taxi guy started that was in the street. Yeah. Where's the top of it? Right in front of my house there. The peach house where you turn the second house.
Yeah, the same orange. Oh.
The money and my other car, I got like 250,000 guys. Charming.
I know it's
Don't worry with that, this Germany trying to see that's what I told them. Nobody want to think that's
No, the police are there. Police watch, ma'am. Police watching it. You have some information from here now.
God knows, God saves she life. I said God saves she life. God saves she life because if God didn't, she would be dead. Wow.
You want to see if follow she from the bank? Three of them the follow and look.
Three but two get away.
Playing tricks. Tricks he playing there. Big and strong.
Look at man, man. Learn your lesson. Just stop teeth.
No. Granny me for. Granny. Raggy with my granny catch you there, granny.
Granny.
Granny catch. Granny catch you there. Nah, I'm camera down. Julian, move from there. He trace a woman from the bank and fire some shots. One of them get knocked. Man, catch one of them. The rest two get away. Easy one will get knocked. The other two get away.
So they must get the money.
Me know the woman. So she must stay there to like to get your bag and thing. How you doing, the man? Look.
Yeah, them
He look no.
the cell.
No, not you, the man.
If you
He look knowing.
go call the, any walk down and make you look.
The man walk fast money.
Fast money, no.
300 by not even money, but you can't think the life worth more than though. Yeah.
I know the police don't pick you up there in the yard. I just wait. Trouble anyone be there. Oh, I know it's me. I'm going to go and bring it from around
Yeah, some parents slap.
You want to see?
Some parents
Come on, bring me.
They want to sit down and wait for the thief in morning.
thing before you not do before you do. Yeah,
that should be right. How we get this though?
yeah.
Think I'm tea strong there. One thing I'm three. Strong for go again. Shall I come back this side? Strong for go again. Julian stand there.
Get your face
Get your,
yeah, easy, right one.
get your face there. Make people life unhappy. We out here, we live. Hey, the man flopping here, man. So wait, it's from the road, the pitch in the gutter? Yeah. Oh, ski.
It's all the car.
Either he proper pitch fire, or he must be run it for go through here.
It must look because I look through the window and I like it's when I see this thing break up.
You know right now, ambulance where? You gotta stay on Philippine ambulance now.
Gunshot. This right here. First thing I hear is gunshot.
Alright, Prime News. Are you always here? You got ambulance now, you got feel the pain. Now them police guy, police ain't got time with you. But you know, bet you didn't sell to what, you're right.
Turn off the pipe.
I can't turn off the
You want the pipe thing? Bring the water, maybe see face good. He ain't drunk, he drink up the gutter. He drink up the gutter water, he drunk. He got the water to get he drunk. I able. Bring it there, give me the water there. Try and get them got the water out his system. Baby there. He catch himself. What's he catching himself, watch? Shut down, come in here. He get up. He fly like Superman. Fly in the gut. Oh, I'm able. He talking now. You go look at he could get attacked and cuffed too tight. Just need what you could take the woman life. You go really presumptuous. He handcuffed too tight. You better thank God he living. He handcuffed too tight. Yeah, sure, ma'am. Watch, look. Strong man, strong black man squad. Watch. Come in the car and share that.
Turn around.
Yeah, catch it here.
Looky, the culprit.
It gone. It dead. He foot dead.
We dead? Is he dead?
He foot dead.
He foot dead. Stand up there. Ain't dead yet. What to water and bring you back to life. We're swallowing mama black. Shall I bring the water?
Yeah, let bring the water there.
Okay, look.
Mommy get
The mama black. He buff.
Yes.
He dead.
Oh, the name of the Lord. Oh, they got the water taste.
Trip out with it, he stay. He stay just so. Man, make you fly today. He like he relaxing.
Yes. Love to your life.
Now, according to some more things that I read in news articles, it is said that the female recovered her phone and the documents. I didn't get any information about the female getting back her money. You see me? And just to make things be very clear in our viewers and subscribers, the video shows the female who had been robbed. Yes, the video shows the female who had been robbed. If the female really and truly used her motor vehicle to push the motor vehicle that those robbers was traveling in and caused the motor vehicle to go into a drain, then I think she's brave. But I wouldn't recommend anyone to do something like that because I think it is dangerous, and I would rather someone to think about their health, you know, think about their life, you know, because you have some persons out there who really and truly not think. You have some persons who will hurt you for your own things, you know. You have some persons who will probably even take your life because you're trying to defend what you work for. You understand? So I just that me think, you know. But you can let me know what to think about the whole situation. You can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.